In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify customer support, full 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to reach a real person when you need help. Start by opening your Shopify admin in your browser and signing in. On the homepage, you might see a promotional banner like, "Get 3 months for $1 a month." You don't need to act on that for support. Just note that you're in the right place. From here, locate the search option in the admin. Click Search, then place your cursor in the highlighted search field and begin typing so you can quickly pull up support-related options. In the results, choose Shopify Support to jump straight to the official Help Center. On the Help Center page, click into the highlighted search field again. This is labeled "How can we help?" and it's the fastest way to surface relevant answers. If you prefer browsing, look for Browse by Topic. You can switch between these two at any time. Click the "How can we help" box to search, or choose Browse by Topic to scan categories. Let's walk through the categories you'll see, since this helps you pick the right path to a human. Explore apps for questions about app installation, billing, or troubleshooting. Your account is the place for login, billing, and admin access issues. Online Store covers themes, customizations, and storefront settings. If you're still not finding what you need, return to the "How can we help" field and refine your query. Back under Online Store, you'll also find Shopify Checkout for payment, shipping, and checkout configuration topics. For growth-related questions, check Marketing and Promotions. If you need help with your audience and segmentation, open Customers. If you sell wholesale or to companies, B2B is your category. For regulations and store policies, visit Compliance. Moving through these topics helps the system route you faster and provides context for the support team. As you navigate, keep using the "How can we help" search box whenever you want to zero in on a specific problem. Once you've narrowed things down and you're ready to speak to someone, look for the option that says "Chat with a Human." Click that to open the live chat window. If you see a highlighted prompt, click it to confirm your topic or provide a brief summary of the issue. A support advisor will join shortly. Quick tip before you start the chat. Have essential details ready, like order numbers, app names, recent changes you made, and any error messages. This helps the advisor resolve your case faster. That's it. Now you know the most direct route to Shopify customer support and how to get